All right, so we're on the call now, and actually the P-trap keeps on turning off the thermostat. They have a float switch on this unit, and the customer is tired of actually having to clear the P-trap out on this unit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna install a condensate pump just to make it work a little bit better, this unit. So I was actually out here earlier, and the actual condensate lines, they're having trouble with the pitch of water on this condensate line. Okay, so on this call here we have a condensate problem. The actual P-trap underneath the actual air handling unit keeps on getting clogged up, and the actual customer keeps on having issues with the blank screen on their Nest thermostat. So I actually had told the customer that what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a pump in this unit so that way it works a little bit better. We're gonna remove a lot of this PVC piping that's giving this customer problems, so that way their thermostat doesn't keep on blanking out. All right, so we're gonna walk in this building in a little bit and try to fix this water problem on their condensate lines. It keeps on getting clogged up over here. So this P-trap, okay, so the problem that we got over here, this P-trap keeps on getting clogged up over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it right here, put a pump right here, and have it shoot right in there, okay? This is your condensate switch. What's happening is it's filling up with water in here, and they're getting a blank screen here on the Nest thermostat every time it fills up with water, the condensate lines. So actually what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut that whole piece of condensate line, take the trap out, and put a condensate pump to make this, to cut this problem out, okay? Okay. Here it is. There's the clog right there. So this is the trick right here. This is how we're gonna get the water in here. This is the trick, so see? So there's your clog from the actual PVC trap right here. That's why we're getting rid of this, right? Because that's why it actually keeps on making his thermostat blank screen. So we got rid of that. This whole piece we got out. We put the condensate